In this quest for productivity, the first key takeaway is the sheer amount of time we often waste managing our tasks. Whether it's rearranging our calendar or deciding the order of priorities, these moments add up. With the right AI tools, I discovered that I could reclaim this lost time and use it for creative pursuits instead. Imagine what you could achieve if you weren't caught in that endless loop of decision-making. Every hour saved translates into more mental space, allowing creativity to thrive and ideas to flourish. As I engaged with the AI tools, I found myself shifting from mere task execution to strategic thinking about future projects. Instead of just getting things done, I could envision new content, experiment with fresh concepts, and explore untapped potentials I previously overlooked. This transformation felt invigorating, igniting a passion for work I thought I had lost along the way. The synergy between human creativity and AI efficiency became evident as I embraced this new dynamic. While the efficiency gained was undeniable, I also faced the reality that no tool is flawless. As I navigated this AI-assisted landscape, I encountered moments where the algorithms misjudged my needs, such as scheduling demanding tasks without considering my current energy levels, which reminded me that intuition still has value. The careful balance between reliance on technology and trusting my instincts became crucial, highlighting that a human touch complemented AI's capabilities. This experiment illuminated the potential for a future where humans and machines collaborate, each enhancing the other's strengths, ultimately leading to more fulfilled lives. As I reflected on the day, I realized that leveraging AI for productivity doesn't just streamline tasks, it reshapes our entire approach to work and creativity. The algorithms, while efficient, also pushed me to adapt, ensuring that I remained engaged in the process rather than becoming a passive recipient of automation. The challenge was learning how to integrate AI into my workflow without losing sight of my personal insights and instincts. Ultimately, this journey was about more than just managing time. It was about redefining what productivity means in a world where technology and human talent can harmonize. In this exploration of productivity, we've uncovered powerful insights about our relationship with time and technology. The experiment not only showcased the efficiency of AI tools, but also highlighted the necessity for human intuition and adaptability in our work processes. By embracing these advanced systems, we can reclaim our time without sacrificing the essence of creativity or personal engagement. As we look to the future, it is clear that the collaboration between human intellect and AI has the potential to transform not just how we work, but how we think about productivity itself. The journey is just beginning, and together, we can navigate this evolving landscape to harness the best of both worlds. As I ventured deeper into this AI-infused productivity landscape, I noticed a remarkable shift in not only how I structured my tasks, but in the overall mental landscape of my day. Each tool served a unique purpose, like pieces in a well-tuned orchestra. The reminders for breaks and hydration from the health tracker were less interruptions and more insights into self-care, promoting a holistic view of productivity that I hadn't prioritized before. Instead of treating breaks as delays, I began to see them as vital components of my workflow, rejuvenating my focus and boosting my output. As I dived into using these AI tools, I found myself fascinated not just by their efficiency, but how they demanded adjustments in my working patterns. For instance, the deep work sessions recommended by Motion forced me to reconsider distractions and truly commit to uninterrupted time. I began setting boundaries that I had previously neglected, ensuring that when I engaged in focused tasks, I did so without the usual digital noise swirling around me. This revelation reflected a growing recognition of fundamental productivity principles that often get overlooked in our rush to get more done. Each moment spent on these deep dives became a testament to the power of dedicated focus, something my previous frantic juggling of tasks had severely hindered. The fusion of AI assistance and my newfound commitment to concentrated efforts created an invigorating rhythm that pushed me toward greater productivity, highlighting the importance of intentional time management. As I concluded this eye-opening experiment, I recognized that the true goal of productivity is not merely about squeezing more tasks into a day, but rather finding balance and fulfillment. The journey through this AI-enhanced productivity labyrinth has equipped me with invaluable tools, insights, and strategies that extend beyond mere time management. By pairing the efficiency of algorithms with my intuitive understanding of work, I've embarked on a path that allows me to navigate my professional landscape with renewed clarity and purpose, ensuring that I not only work smarter, but also embrace the passion and creativity that drive my endeavors. Through this experience, I discovered that the collaboration between AI and human intuition is the cornerstone of effective productivity. Rather than viewing technology as a replacement, I learned to see it as a powerful ally, a means to bolster my creativity and strategic thinking. Reflecting on my day, I felt revitalized not just because I saved time, but because I was able to engage more deeply with my projects and ideas. As I move forward, the lessons learned here will shape how I integrate AI into my workflow, ensuring that I balance efficiency with the human touch that truly fuels my passion for what I do. As I reflect on the broader implications of this experience, one of the most striking realizations is how the integration of AI in our daily routines can serve not only as a productivity enhancement, but also as a transformative experience for our mindset. The ability to save time and redirect mental energy provides us a rare opportunity to cultivate a deeper connection with our work, allowing creativity to thrive in environments often stifled by stress. Moving forward, I'm excited to embrace this synergy, fostering an atmosphere where technological assistance becomes the catalyst for innovative thinking. Ultimately, this journey through AI-driven productivity redefines success, as it empowers us to focus on what truly matters, creating and exploring ideas with renewed vigor. As I continued to explore these AI tools, I couldn't help but reflect on the nature of productivity in our current age. It seemed evident that we have reached a crossroads. The choice is between persistently managing overwhelming demands or leveraging technology to elevate our creative processes. Embracing this shift allows us to rethink traditional paradigms of work, transforming mere task completion into a dynamic interplay of responsibility and innovation. This newfound understanding emphasizes the importance of adaptability as we navigate through both challenges and opportunities presented by AI. Thus, the journey forward promises to be enlightening, enabling us to redefine our relationship with time and productivity. As I dove deeper into the day, it became increasingly clear that the simplicity of trusting AI with mundane tasks freed me to tackle more complex challenges. This newfound clarity was a gift, a chance to dedicate my brain power to strategy, creativity, and innovative problem-solving rather than wrestling with daily to-do lists. I could finally explore larger projects that excited me, the kind I had sidelined in favor of smaller rote tasks that seemed urgent but weren't truly important. By allowing the AI to handle the trivial, I found not only more time but also a renewed energy to push boundaries creatively. Each moment became an opportunity to think bigger, to dream about what could be done next instead of reacting to what had to be done now. It was this shift in mentality that marked the most significant transformation of all, where productivity was no longer about mere efficiency, but about igniting passion and purpose in my work. As I adjusted to this new workflow, I became more aware of the potential pitfalls of over-reliance on AI. I learned that while these tools could handle vast quantities of routine tasks, I still needed to engage critically with the outputs they provided. This balance between trust and scrutiny enriched my creative process, prompting me to question decisions made by algorithms and ensuring that the final product reflected my vision and voice. Chartered by my curiosity, I dove into the analytics, eager to uncover hidden patterns in my productivity. Navigating this new landscape, I understand that productivity relies on harmony between technology and human intuition. Embracing AI is not merely about delegation, it's about collaboration that fosters creativity and innovation while grounding us in our unique strengths. Together, we can redefine productivity for a fulfilling, impactful future.